everyone. My name is Elva. I'm the English teacher for this semester. Now, before we start this class, I wanted to tell you the assessment so you know what you are expected to do. Now, the first assessment is due next month. So I've already uploaded the resources on school internet. It's about a holiday, so you can write your recent holiday and tell me what you have done during the holiday. You are expected to use past tense. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. You are also welcome to submit your 500 words before the deadline, so I can help you check and you can upgrade your assessment.